Welcome back, YouTube. Good morning. Just wanted to show you the cabinet maker was here yesterday and installed the upper cabinets. So this is what they look like. This is my kitchen. I think they turned out really, really nice. Obviously the uppers are very tall cabinets. I think they really fill the space nicely. This giant orifice right here is for the 48-inch wide refrigerator that's planned. To the right is the pantry cabinet I referred to. I think that turned out really slick. The blank right there is for the dishwasher, which is on order, so that should be here sometime this week, I think, maybe next week. Panning over here to the left, this opening at the top is for the vent hood for the cooktop, and then that indentation on the bottom is where the 6-burner gas cooktop will be installed. That's actually here on site. Both of these are the hood and the cooktop. And then right here to the left is where the double ovens go. So that's pretty much the kitchen. Just need to get the appliances coming, put those in here, and then focus on countertops. And then that'll be pretty much that. I'll just back up here to try to get one more full shot the best I can. Pardon the shaky cam. So that's the view from the living room of the kitchen. Go over here and take one more view from the entryway to the kitchen. So as you walk in, this is what you see. I think it all turned out pretty nice. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks, everybody.